Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially with the new update or new process. Actually, Facebook profile lock is really very important for us because through this locking system we can protect our post, friend list and every details from unknown person, right? So if you really want to learn how to lock your Facebook profile officially, then you can see my full video. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel, and also you need to follow my this page. So please follow my this page, okay? Because every day I uploaded videos in there, okay? So whatever, in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest process for locking Facebook profile. So if first process doesn't work, that time you can follow the second process, but I hope both process will be working for you. So let's start. So let me show you the first one. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store, and after that you need to update your Facebook application first. So after updating it, just click here open option, and then click here three dot line, then click here your profile icon. This is the very simple way, I mean the first process. So you can see in here three dot line, so just click on it. Then you can see in here lock profile option, right? So if you don't find lock profile option in there, just get back from here and you need to scroll down and click here settings and privacy, then click here settings, then scroll down and you can see audience and visibility, and in that section you can see profile locking, right? So just click on it, then click here lock your profile in the bottom and wait for a few seconds, and you can see you locked your profile. This is official. I mean, through this easiest process you can lock your Facebook profile if you have this locking function in your profile. But if you don't have this locking option in your profile, then you need to follow my second process. So let's go for the second process. So first of all, let me unlock my Facebook profile. And after that, just get back from here and you need to go to again here three dot line, then click here settings and privacy, then settings, and scroll down, and you need to do something in your Facebook account so that no one can get your details, I mean Facebook details, I mean it will be locked, okay? So let's scroll down, and after that you can see in here how people can find and contact you. So let's click on it, then just follow my process. So you can click here who can send you friend request, just you need to choose friends of friends, then click here save. Then people with your email address, just click here friends, then save. And after that, do you want to search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile, just turn it off. Then scroll down, and in the bottom there is nothing you need to do, just get back from here. Then you need to click here the second one, which is post, right? So just click on it, and then click here who can see your future post. This is very important, just click here. And after that you need to click here friends option, then click here save option. And another thing you need to do, which is limit who can see past post. This is also very important. So just click here view option, and you need to click here, I mean you can see in here, if you choose to limit your past post on your timeline that you have shared with friends of friends, and public post will only be shared with your friends. I mean this is also a locking system, okay? So you need to click here limit past post option, then click here limit past post and wait for a few seconds. Then you can see in here allow comment summaries on your post, just turn it off. Then allow visual search on your post, just turn it off. And after that, just get back from here, and you need to do another thing, which is profile and tagging. Just click on it, and after that you need to click on the first one, which is who can post on your profile. Just choose here friends, either only me, and then click here who can see what other post on your friends, I mean on your profile. So you need to choose your friends option. Okay, then click here save. Then allow others to share your post to their story, just turn it off. Then scroll down and you can see in here tagging and implied mentions. Okay, so who can see post that you are tagged in on your profile? So just click here only me, and another is the second one, this is also only me. Then you need to turn on these settings, which is reviewing tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So just turn it on. And another thing, which is the last one, review post that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile, just also turn it on. So you are done. I mean, this is it. And right now you need to go to your profile option and you need to click here three dot line. So just click on it, and right now you need to click here view as, and just wait for a few seconds, and you can see in here this content on your profile is public. I mean, when someone come to your profile, that time that person only can see look like this way. Okay, so you can see there is only one post available, which is cover photos, and everything is just hidden. I mean, there is no information available about your Facebook account. Okay, so that's the second process. So either you can follow the first process. If you don't have locking system in your profile, then you can follow the second process, so that your every details will be hidden from an unknown person. Okay, so that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.